What's going on YouTube? Centex Collector here with my first 29er BMX. We got a couple group rides around the city for Austin, so decided to try something different and get on the big bike BMX. But this is the 2021 Haro Pistol, and we'll run through it real quick. So first thing I did was swap out the grips. Got rid of the crappy Team Haro grips and got these ODI Troy Designs grips. They're a little brighter than some other yellow parts, but it's hard to match yellow and blues and red sometimes. So that was the first thing I swapped out. Swapped out the brake. Came with the Pro Max. I went with the Box 3 lever and rear brake, as you'll see. The light just for the night riding. I use that on my mountain bike. I have a clamp on both bikes and I swap it between the mountain bike and this. Pads, I kept on the handlebar pad and the top tube pad. I want to be able to see the stem. I may swap that Haro stem out. Getting a lot of creaking in here, so maybe it's something I need to upgrade. Swapped out for a yellow brake cable. And then I went with the R4 29-inch mags, yellow. Got some yellow valve caps, dice. Got some Maxxis grifters. These are 29 by 2.5s. Stock were Kenda 2.2 craniums. So it was a big upgrade with the rims and tires. And then got these, oh yeah, these are Federal yellow pedals. Got those off BMX Source. Yellow chain, I think I just got off eBay. And, oh yeah, these are great. So I'd never used these before. I tried on my girlfriend's bike. I showed you guys in another video the Walmart special, the Hyper Jet Fuel. I tried putting purple ones on her bike. They just won't stay, but these did well. And to keep your chain tight and in place. Yeah, these, I mean, you don't necessarily get these Moto Kings. These are cheapy, like 20 bucks. But I would highly recommend if you're having chain issues in your rear mag or tire slipping, I would definitely recommend getting some chain tensioners. And then I got the box brake, like I said, in the rear. And I got a box quick release seat post clamp. Again, I ride mountain bike, but I have a dropper post on my mountain bike. But before I had a dropper, I've always had quick release, so it's just nice to be able to do that on a fly. You could put a dropper post on here, but the only thing with these, you don't have internal routing like a mountain bike, so you'd have to do the external routing to do a dropper. I was debating on getting a yellow mountain bike seat post, but haven't swapped that out yet. But yeah, that's the main things that I've done. I like this. Oh, and then also I did a 17 tooth ACS pause free wheel on the back. So I'm running 17 tooth, and then it's got the 30, I think it's 36 or 39 sprocket up front. But I like the sprocket, so I kept it. I'm debating on swapping these. These crank arms are kind of cheapy. I'm not sure what type of bottom bracket this has off the top of my head. I'll post it later when I'm editing. But this crank feels kind of cheapy. But then again, I mean, this is the Haro. I think I spent, I don't know, let's say about $650 shipped on this. I got it from flatlandfuel.com, awesome site. Picked up a slow ride Haro off Flatland Fuel as well. So if you haven't been to their site, those guys are great. They ship out quick. But yeah, that's what I did. Doesn't seem like a whole lot, but yeah, it added up quick. These mags were probably like 300, and the tires were probably like another 90. So just bits here, and then just doing the yellow to pop. I've seen people do these in other colorways, and I really wanted the Maxxis tires. So I like that yellow lettering. make it pop. I didn't want to go full-blown yellow tires. Can't find them anyway. It's like impossible to find some parts, bike parts and BMX and everything. Bike related has been hot lately. But yeah, that's the big thing. The mags, the tires, grips, lever, brake, pedals and chain, just because I wanted it yellow. Just doing some yellow accents without going overboard on it. I really want a GT or a dyno, but I went with the Haro. I have a Haro group one if you've seen my other videos on the wall. So definitely liking the Haro, but I really want a GT or dyno. But maybe after I ride this a little bit, I might snag me a GT Performer or maybe a dyno comp or something. But yeah, guys, here it is, the 2021 Haro Pistol 29er. They also come in 24 and 26. I think Flatland Fuel has those as well. This seat's really comfortable too. I didn't swap it out like my girlfriend's. Seat's probably better than my mountain bike seat. But I kind of like some of the logoing and stuff may be a little overbearing for some people, but I thought the graphics were cool. And there's the Haro stem. And these bars, maybe I'll switch these bars. Guys got any suggestions or comments about some bars you guys like? And crank arms, preferably in black. Yeah, I've only done about maybe 10 to 15 miles on this so far. I'm hoping to get more miles in. I've done over 550 miles this year on the mountain bike. So hopefully I can get some more group rides in on this with Captex Cruisers and 512 Wheelie Crew. Alright guys, like, comment, subscribe. JJ out.